Morning, good afternoon, and good night, depending on what part of this earth are you in. We're here to inspect fire stopping and foam insulation. Fire stopping we have here. This is the hall. These are apartments, right? These are habitational units. This is 1804. We're gonna check for inspection. We're gonna inspect for the insulation in the walls. This is open cell spray foam insulation. You can see all the penetrations of seal. This blocking prevents the smoke walking through in the same floor, horizontally moving from one habitational unit to the next one. This is what they call fire blocking. You can see 6 inches or apply foam insulation on the walls. 24R approximately. Every inch of foam insulation, open set insulation, provides an R value per inch of 3.9 to 4.1, depending on the material, right? We don't have the certificate, so I don't know what is the specific R value per inch for this open cell foam insulation. Pipe insulator, we are not looking at this the insulation now, but just letting you know, when you're inspecting insulation for piping, hot water piping, we need to come and check this insulation. We need to verify that the thickness of the insulation or the R value is the correct one. This is fire stopping. This prevents the smoke from one floor below coming to the next one above. Let's take a look to the insulation values. We can see it's approximately 1 inch insulation. Everything is in the drawings. When you have, you need to verify that anything on the drawings matches with the actual construction. We see here 6 inches exposure 1. Sprinkler systems. Fire stopping, fire blocking at the corridor, all continuous. We can see one side, one the other. You can see. Let's take a look to apartment 1803. Let's verify for phone application. 1803 apartment. As you can see, all membranes are waiting for us to inspect these walls before closing this gypsum board. Mechanical piping, water, hot water, cold water. See the 4 inches penetration for the toilet. It needs to be sealed around the piping. Everything is steel. I like it. They're doing a great job here. It's a balcony here. Just keep these guys lifting. You see it? New York City is all foggy today. Let's go out of the apartment 1803. Corridor, we still see the walls facing to the hall are all sealed continuously with application of fire stopping material. Let's check all the corridor first. You can see the partitions for this concrete wall, this concrete building. The engineer utilizes light gauge partitions. These are not load bearing walls. So the purpose is provide space for the lining, for the piping, for all the mechanical installation and some insulation. Apartment 1808. Let's take a look. This is apartment 1808. Doesn't look like, but it's an apartment. Let's go in. Right to your left, we have the bathroom. Everything's steel. Patinillo, I don't know what to call it, a column to provide for the mechanical stuff. We can see it's sealed between the blocks on the slab. They had to seal that. This is the insulation for the mechanical ducts ventilation. Here you can see a space is created just to provide space, hiding space for all the mechanical ducts. Foam insulation in exposure 2. It's a huge apartment. I think this is exposure 3. I think this is the back. Close this window. Cold water is getting in. The drain for the condensate water from the air conditioner. Sprinkler systems. You can see the main power, the main line coming from outside. We can see it here. It's a 2 inches pipe coming here. to the main line here at the corridor. You can see the main line of the sprinkler system. So those penetration for all those different kind of piping, it needs to be sealed. Let's go to the next one. Nineteenth floor. Oh, jeez. All right. Elevator. Installation is ongoing. This apartment just in front of the steps, 19th floor. Fire stopping, still required here. This is 19th floor. This is the apartment right next to the steps A. Still need to seal that opening there. Seal that thing. We need to repair the column. We need to close that? I think so. Mechanical floor. Public area. Let's take a look at the public area first. Public area is I think they did a little bit more work from the last time I came here. Okay, let's take a look to the insulation. Insulation is applied, open cell. We still don't have the certificate from these guys. Oh, man. Plumbing 1905. It's better than the last time I came here. Still, they had to fix a couple things over there. 6 inches insulation. Apply all around. Nice. Yeah, they did a great job, I think. Just need to fix here, the plumbing over there, and that's it. Already saw this. The apartment 1903. You see the piping coming from the sprinklers. The insulation, the piping are insulated. Apparently they have a column here, or a sauce, nice on a sauce here. Oh my gosh. This apartment. (1903). All right. This was not done the other day. They did it now. Good. Perfect. Plumbing 1907. Pipes penetration of seal with red compound. Red compound apply all around the openings. I think this is set for the plumbing over there. I think they're good. They're good to go. Right. Let's go to floor number 20. Oh, Jesus. That ditch. Let's take a look again to the public area. It's seal or rain penetrations are seal as well. Okay, let's take a look to floor number 20. Let's go to 19 to 20. Floor 20. No. Come on, guys. As you can, como se habrán dado cuenta, ya todos los pisos, los apartamentos son iguales. This apartment has a balcony. Let's take a look to the public area first. All the apartments facing to the hall. Apartment 2007. Partition wall right next to the kitchen. I don't see. No. You can see. They didn't put it. I don't see anything there. So they put it on this side, but I don't know about the other side. I'm not sure. This is 20th floor. The public area facing, the openings facing the public area seal, as you can see. What we need now is the thing is broken. They had to fix it. And there's no compound on the top of the brick. So any smoke from here, from this mechanical room is gonna get into the apartment. So that's not acceptable. We need to fix that. All right, let's go to floor number 21, because they said 18 to the roof, right? 21. What are they gonna do? This Marcia, but not the other one. Apartment 2007, 2107. This is a lot of Mason yet. I don't know. These guys are making me nervous. What about this? I don't know what happened here. Insulation, pipe insulation all around. I mean, foam insulation all around. Oh my God, foam insulation all around. All this area is not applied. Sorry, but I cannot do this. So they need to come back and review all this. What about this? Oh, this is nothing. What is this? It's an opening apartment. 2103. There's an opening here. I don't know why. Okay. Apartment 2005. 2105. Insulation as well. Nice. Okay, you see it here. Can see it? Yes, they're done. They did it. Perfect. Okay. This is a compound they use. "21, 22. 22 is the roof. Oh my gosh. Yeah. You can see there's nothing to see here. Floor drains. These guys installing the warning bus. These guys installing blocks over there. This is the back side of the building. Elevator out there, right there. And this is it. This is New York.